Hi everyone. Today we are going to talk about why sugar can make your skin age faster. We are not going to discuss about something that most people talk about, but in fact, we are going to dig deeper into the actual science behind why sugar can cause rapid aging of your skin. I'll explain this in the simplest way possible with the help of recent research papers whose link I have provided in the description. Do check them out. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, let's understand what really happens when sugar reacts with protein. I'll explain this with a simple real world example. When we toast a bread, the sugar in that bread reacts with the protein, which makes the surface of the bread brown and crispy, right? The same thing happens to our skin when we eat too much of sugar. The sugar molecules start to react with our skin proteins like collagen and elastin. Now, we saw how the bread turned brown and stiff when the sugar reacted with the proteins. Exactly in the same way, our skin proteins become damaged and stiff over time. Scientists call this process as glycation, which leads to the formation of harmful compound like AGEs. This is the compound that can cause rapid skin aging. Researchers show that glycation can change how collagen and elastin behave, meaning they become stiff, tangled, and hard to repair. Our collagen fibers are supposed to keep our skin healthy and young, but when sugar attaches to it and forms AGEs, it becomes rigid. This is the reason why our skin loses its elasticity and forms lines like wrinkles over time, all because of consuming too much of sugar. So now you know how sugar can react with our skin protein and can cause rapid skin aging. Inside our skin, collagen and other skin proteins should behave normally, meaning they should keep our skin stretchy and smooth, right? But when sugar molecules attach with the proteins, they become rigid and they do not behave normally anymore. Now, this process happens in the absence of enzymes, meaning it is a random chemical reaction where molecules of AGEs slowly develops. Problem begins when these AGEs start to connect two protein strands permanently. Over time, the more sugar molecules attach with proteins, the more knots we can see of proteins. As a result, the collagen fibers become stiffer and less flexible as they are all tied up, and then our skin becomes less elastic and more brittle, which can cause wrinkles. Important thing that we need to consider is this process begins even before we can see wrinkles on our skin. The process of glycation can affect our skin proteins early in life, and eventually the changes keep accumulating. It's like how oxygen and moisture can affect the quality of the metal, which can cause its rusting. Exactly in the same way, when sugar attaches with our skin proteins, it can initiate the process of glycation. And as we all know, how rust can give permanent damage to our metals, just like the process of glycation can permanently damage our skin. So, the reason sugar can age your skin is not a beauty advice. It's just a biological reaction that we can observe when we see or do research. Let's understand this impact with a real-world example. Think of your skin like a sponge which has elastic springs in it which makes it smooth and bouncy. Over years, sugar molecules will keep attaching with the collagen proteins, especially if our diet contains too much of sugar. Now, this sugar collagen attachment does not break easily. In fact, they keep building up like a sticky coating on the springs. With time, this sticky coating, that is AGEs, can make those springs more rigid and less stretchy. Scientists found that the accumulation of AGEs under our skin is the reason why our skin becomes dull and it cannot repair itself, leading to wrinkles. Studies have shown that AGEs does not only affect our skin proteins, but it also changes how our skin cells behave. This can directly lead to inflammation and slow wound healing as well. As we age, AGEs keep increasing in our skin cells and tissues, which can cause premature aging. Scientists have concluded that the accumulation of AGEs under our skin is one of the main causes of skin-related changes, like when our skin loses its elasticity, which can contribute to rapid skin aging. Now, I hope that you have a clear understanding of how sugar can fasten the process of skin aging. Now, I am not asking you to completely eliminate sugar from your diet, but eating it in moderation will not only slow down your skin aging, but it will also enhance your overall health. If you learned anything new in this video, then do hit that like button and share it with your friends and family so that they can also understand why sugar is bad for their skin health and for their aging as well. Comment down below if you want more videos breaking down research papers. And do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon in order to stay updated. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, peace out. And remember, wellness over everything. Thanks for watching.